Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Boy People TV. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our family. Now, let me ask you a quick question. How does a city like Enugu State, full of vibrant life, shops and businesses, end up looking like a ghost town on a Monday morning? Mind you, it's not just Enugu State. It's like that in every part of the southeastern state. But today we are specifically talking about the Enugu State. Join us as we go on this drive through the beautiful city of Enugu. I mean, seriously, isn't Monday supposed to be the busiest day of the week? But here we are, driving through this street and it's all quiet. Shops locked, streets deserted. Why? Well, it's the infamous sit-at-home order. Yeah, you've probably heard about it, but let's dive in deeper today, okay? So, here's the thing. For a while now, southeastern states like Enugu have been dealing with this sit-at-home mandate. Initially, it was a form of protest for Nnamdi Kanu's release, but over time, it's turned into something bigger and scarier. Mondays have turned into this unofficial holiday, but trust me, it's far from celebratory. People are just too scared to come out of their houses, scared of attacks, harassment, and worse. Look around. These streets would normally be buzzing with traders, food vendors, and customers bargaining for the best deals, but now all silence. Now, here's where it gets really interesting, or should I say frustrating. The Enugu State government, under Governor Peter Mba, has already issued an order for residents to come out and resume their normal lives. But this isn't new. Governor Charles Soludo of Anambra State did the same thing too. Both leaders have assured citizens that they will be safe. Security forces have been deployed to keep the peace, especially in Anambra State, and anyone caught trying to enforce the sit-at-home order is supposed to be arrested, right? But look at this scene. Clearly, people aren't buying it. The fear is really real. You know how they say, once bitten, twice shy. That's the same here. Too many attacks, too many casualties in the past. It's like people are thinking, why risk it? Better safe than sorry. And honestly, can you blame them? This here is one of Enugu's most popular markets. Normally, this place would be packed. You'd hear the hustle and bustle of traders calling out their goods, the loud banter of buyers, and the occasional car horn as people struggle for parking space. But today, nah, not a single shop open, not even the street vendors. And you know what that means, right? It's not just the shop owners losing money. The ripple effect is huge. No businesses mean no income for drivers, hawkers, or even the folks who help offload goods. Everyone's taking a hit. And the saddest part, this isn't a one-time thing. This has been happening every single Monday for months. What am I even saying? Years. Now, let's talk about the big question on everyone's mind. Why hasn't this stopped just yet? If the government says it's safe to come out, why are people still staying at home? Well, the answer isn't as simple. For starters, trust. After witnessing or hearing about attacks on those who dared to open their shops, people are understandably hesitant. And then there's the fear of the unknown. Who's really reinforcing this sit-at-home order? Is it just a few individuals, or is there a larger force at play? People don't want to find out the hard way, so they would rather lose a day's income than risk their lives. And let's not forget the power of rumors. Even if nothing major happens on a particular Monday, all it takes is one story of violence and boom, everyone stays home the next week. At the same time, there's the question of enforcement. How do you convince people that it's safe to come out without forcing them? After all, you can arrest fear. And fear, my friends, is a powerful thing. It spreads faster than any announcement or government directive. So, what's the way forward? Can Enugu State and other southeastern states break free from this sit-at-home circle? Or is it just the new normal? Whatever the case may be, one thing's for sure, the resilience of the Igbo people will always shine through. Thanks for riding along with us today on Ebony People TV. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe for more updates on life in the Southeast. Until next time, stay safe, stay strong, and stay hopeful. See you in our next video.